What's up guys? Today we're gonna make lamb chops. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my rub for my amazing lamb chops. And of course, lamb chops, you can fry it, you can grill it, you can make it the way you want to. The most important thing here is the rub. So while I was making my video and I was about to rub that seasoning into my lamb chops, I realized that I hadn't put salt. Okay, so remember this, add salt to your liking. But later on in the video you'll see me add some salt. Whoops, that happens. We also make mistakes and we also forget, or maybe it's just because I won't blame it on the pregnancy. I'll list the ingredients down below in the description box, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to comment below when you're gonna make it, how it turned out, and share this video with another to make their lives more easier, of course. Bye guys. Oh wait, don't forget to click the subscribe button followed by the notification bell so you don't have to miss any of my future videos. Whew, excuse the exhausted look. I'm sorry guys. So you're gonna need 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and then you're gonna add 3 garlic cloves chopped, some black pepper, and some fresh or dried herbs. You can actually use basically anything you want, but I like to go for the 3 main ingredients, which is thyme, oregano, and rosemary. Then you're gonna squeeze about 1/4 of a lemon. You need the juice of it, and then you mix that. So as I said in the beginning, I forgot to add salt, so just make sure you add salt to your liking. Then you're gonna use about 500 grams of lamb chops. Look at that, the salt. The salt came after, sorry guys, but you know what I mean. And then you want to brush that seasoning in, brush it in good, brush it on the sides, flip it around, brush it there. And then what you want to do is leave it marinate. The best is to leave it marinate overnight, but 3 hours, that's also good. That's what I did. Voila, look at that juicy meat. And then you're gonna add some olive oil to your non-stick pan. Some people like their lamb chops medium, some people like it well done, so it's up to you guys for how long you fry it. And voila, there you go. It's delicious. And of course, you can eat it like this. You can eat it with anything else. Looks delicious, huh? Give it a thumbs up, share this video with friends and family, and leave a comment below. See you at my next video.